you consider the delegates that will gather here over the next 2 days, most of the motions that they bring to conference relate to the fact that retention measures within the Defence Forces and recruitment to get our numbers up to strength so that members on the ground aren't being continually stretched into tasks and the roles that have been given to them on a daily basis. When you consider the amount of units that are currently vastly under strength and have so many vacancies that they require to fill, the people that on the ground that are actually doing those roles are multitasked on a regular basis. They have their normal daily routine in relation to the tasks that they have normally, and they could be doing 2 or 3 roles on top of that. So we'd asked the Minister on behalf of the government to up recruitment over the planned 800 people a year that they're planning on doing. When you consider the amount of people that are leaving the organisation at the moment, we need to bring in more than are leaving, because if we continue the way we're going, we're stagnated, and it's not going to improve for the members that are staying in the organisation going forward.